Marine animal forests mobilize carbon, at least temporarily, and this carbon immobilization by these communities help modulating carbon presence in the atmosphere, and therefore has implications for climate. My work in this sense is related to the quantification of the carbon budget in the vicinities of marine animal forests. We calculate, we measure the abundance of the carbon flux and the temporal variation for the periods of years from the sea surface down to the marine animal forests. And eventually, this carbon also integrates into the sediment column, where it remains for longer, stored for longer periods of time. So our work from the Marine Science Institute in Barcelona consists in calculating this flux of carbon along the water column, and also the amount of carbon which is stored in the sediment column, in addition to the degradation rate of this organic carbon in the sediment record. We think that the role of these marine animal forests is very important, not only for climate regulation, but also for the maintenance of the health of our oceans, our transforming oceans.